Hello, friends! Welcome to my YouTube channel. Please like and subscribe, and don't forget to comment. And yes, we're going to make ube halaya. Okay, now we have grated the ube and we will now add condensed milk. 2 cans of 380-gram condensed milk. Any brand. We can use any brand. And now, and also evaporated milk, 154 ml. There you go, the evap and the condensed milk. And now we are going to add margarine. Half of the 100-gram container. And we will continue to mash the mixture. And now we are cooking the mixture under medium heat. We will just continue stirring for 30 to 45 minutes. There you go. Constant stirring. And we're done. Please don't forget to like and to subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching.